Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're going to look at the SPY, the IWM, the Qs, the DIA, the IYT, the USO, the UUP, and the GLD. We follow the daily, weekly, monthly timeframes. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. So let's get right into the weekly SPY, and we're above the 240 area, or we closed right on top of it today. You know, I'm still thinking 240, 240, possibly 246, and then a 250 area, yet the way it's looking right now. Let's see what happens on the weekly close. If we stay up in this area, then I'm thinking higher. If we pull back a little bit, then possibly lower. But right now, nothing wrong with the markets. Let's go to the daily. Daily, same thing. We came off this consolidation. We're into this trend line here, just chopping and slopping. 237 was a little bit of resistance from these highs, so it was trying. Finally gaps up on Trump's speech last night, and everybody feels comfortable now. So as long as everybody feels good, then this market's going to keep going higher. We did have pretty good volume today, 149 with after hours action on there as well. So we have to respect that. Let's see some follow through, or is it going to slow up here, set up again, and maybe the next launch up? Bears out there, if you are not short these markets, I would start shorting these things now and just slowly adding as it goes up. If you're lucky enough to get them up here, gosh, you know what? I mean, your stop out's probably around 255 then. Take small positions and then let it rock. What you're looking for is a reversal with some big volume, and then, and then let's see where this thing goes from there and how it sets up. So, but right now, bulls are in charge. 8 years on March 6th will be the 8-year bull run, and we'll see where we go from there. Let's go into the IWM. IWM, fighting for that 140 area. We talked about it when it came back in here. 140 trend line. Let's see if we can get through it. Stop. Pulled back to the 20 MA. Popped right back up. You're back into the highs. Let's see if this thing can follow through on more volume. I want to see this thing ripping like the SPY. Let's see. What is it? 35 million today? Is it 35 million? Yeah, 35 million. I want to see 70 million on this thing and this thing ripping. So that's what I want to see. Is that if the IWM's lagging, it's not good for the markets. Look at the Qs. Qs, nothing wrong. Everything rallying. Yahoo or Amazon went up today. Google, Netflix was up. Facebook was leading the way. Snapchat's coming. It's going to be great, guys. So get ready. Get ready to buy Snap. Now let Snap. Well, I guess honestly, it probably will go up. So if you want to buy Snap. If you get a good profit, get out of it, let it pull back and get back in. Let's go with that. So maybe the Qs go up with that stuff. Maybe Snap just bombs. Who knows? But we'll see what happens tomorrow. Maybe that will help lead the way with some of this. The Qs getting to the 133, 134 area. If it gets up there, just tighten the stops longs and just be aware of that. We're going on a long rally here. So that at any time we could possibly pull back, and if it keeps going, it's going to get worse when we come down. So in my opinion, of course, it's always my opinion, guys. I just follow the charts, and coming off this bullish consolidation and moved up a little bit bullish here. I'd like to see a little more of a wedge coming into price on here, and then this pushing it up. But hey, got to respect it. Pretty good volume on this one as well on the DIA. So you got to say, hey, let's see if we could continue following through. Right now, the top is at 211.59 until we get through that and close. Then I'm waiting for pattern. Let's see if this thing can go higher. If you're bearish, you want to just see a big reversal and come down into here and then start coming, filling gaps and stuff like that. But you know what? Honestly, nothing wrong. A little bit stretched. Got to keep an eye on that. IYT, which is another leading and lagging indicator, trying to lead the way. We're at all-time highs on this one, but this one's been lagging a little bit longer where everything else has been going up a little bit more. So you have to say, it went to double top. We're back there. We did close above. Let's see if we can get some follow through, maybe to the 175, 176 area. If it can't do that, then look for the possible reversal, fill the gap, get below these MAs, and then of course this is the key trend line right here. If it cracks through that, then you're possibly, you're going to go to double bottom over there. But then possibly, let's pull that out a little further. Double bottom around here, then you got a little pivot there. You got a gap down in here around the 154 area. So you got to look for that, and ultimately the 200 MA, that's where this thing will be going eventually if this thing starts to fall apart. Right now, nothing wrong above all the MAs, and just tighten your stops longs. That's all I'm saying. USO, same thing in this channel, going sideways, a little bit bearish. Did close below the MAs today. Just watch for that. Nothing to worry. I mean, if it's going to come back down, then you're looking at this to see if it cracks. But you still have the 200 MA. You have the trend line coming here. off these highs. There's some highs back in this area. Then you have a gap fill around 1093 as well. So you have a lot of stuff going on, but if that goes and it's going down to here, then it's possibly going to be filling some gaps. If you're long, you want to get through the $12 area, then you're going probably to 12.45. And then there's a couple other pivots, I think around 13.25 and stuff like that. But 12.45 will be the next area. Once it gets up there, we'll find the next pivots. And that's it for the USO. So the UUP. UUP had a pretty good day, 18 cents up, but pretty much went up. But look on a 10-minute, pretty much started gapped up and just kind of faded and then went up a little bit in the end of the session, and that was it, closed out. But, you know, it's still going up. You have to respect the dollar. We are coming off a little bit choppy, sloppy consolidation here, but, you know, it's slightly bullish. You know, you get back, you retraced up, then it stopped, consolidate, and then starting to move up. Let's see if we can move up towards this area, towards this high pivot here around the 2650, 2661, and then we'll see if it, you know, if it continues up, gap fill, then 2683. Then that will be the next big area of resistance up in this general 2621 to 2682, about 10 cents area. So that's what you're looking for on the UUP if it goes up. And never, you know what, never confirmed down below this gap window here too, which was interesting to me. So with that going up, you'd expect the gold to go down, but it was only down a little bit today. You know, after hours it came in a little bit. There's a couple of orders going through at 119.06 or so. No, market center close, official closing price. 119.06. Okay, so it's down a little bit after hours. So, but still above the 220 MA and the 50 MA. See how it's just kind of floating around, a little bit bullish pattern. You're still above the MAs here, but still below the 200. We knew it was coming up into this area and then pulling back. If you look at the weekly chart as well, you're into the 200 and the 50 there too. But we had a good push up. Now you're just kind of waiting for pattern on weekly. If you get a couple weeks sideways, then this thing could possibly take up and go, you know, above this breakdown bar, you know, this 125 area. I'm hoping 131, 132 if I can hold on for that long, but that would be a great gain. And on to the next trade, guys. That's how we try to work it here at StockBookie.com. Go to my website, sign up for the free membership. You get more videos like this and all that. But what we're trying to do is get a good community of people and, you know, get some good trading ideas out there and just make things happen. Intraday action, stock twits, swing trades, go to my Twitter page. And, of course, YouTube for all my videos. And also go to my website and sign up for the membership. And you'll get videos like this, little educational stuff, the live streams. And hopefully I can do more of the live streams and get more people involved. And, you know, the more eyes on the market, the more trades we can get out there. If you go to the Twitter site or my Twitter page, I got probably about 70, 80 trades on there now. And each and every, you know, week we're pulling off more and adding more and pulling off some and adding more and just keep it rolling it out, guys. So, all right, I think that's it for tonight. But thanks for coming. Thanks for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. And, you know, until tomorrow, we'll look at some charts and see what happens. It was a heck of a run today. Dow was up 303. You have to respect it and take it from there. Again, thanks again for watching my videos. God bless. See you on the charts.